Hi, here's a sample problem of how to do division with base blocks in base 6. I have 2, 1 base 6 dividing into 3, 5, 1 base 6. I've made my form and now I'm going to put in my 2, 1. So this is a 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 in base 6. Remember, 1 zeros are 6s if we were looking at what in a base 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Because we don't have any 6s in base 6. So our rods look like that. 3, 5, 1, if I want to represent that, that's going to be 3 flats, and that's going to be 5 rods, and it's going to be 1 unit. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to try and use these to fill in inside our frame to create a rectangle. So I'm going to take this one and put it here. There's a 1, 0, 0. I'm going to take this one and fill it in here. Here's a 1, 0, 0. Now I need one of these rods at the bottom to fill in there. I have my first row completed. But now when I'm looking, I do not have another flat to put down here. So I'm going to need to change this flat into 6 rods. So this one's gone, and now it looks like this. So now I'm going to start putting in my rods and my units. So I'm going to take this one and this one and this one and fill them in here. I have a 10, and a 1. Now I can put in the next 2 10s, no problem, but I don't have a unit. So I'm going to need to change one of these into 6 units. And I can get rid of that. So I'm going to take one of these and put it down here. I have 10, 10, and 1. Now I'm going to do this again. So I'm going to pick 2 more. 1, 2, and I need 1 unit. So here's another 10, 10, 1. Now I'm going to pick 2 more. I keep calling them 10s. They're really 1 zeros. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, because those are 6s. Now I don't have enough to do anything else. So I have this one right here and these 3 right here as my remainder. So when I look at my answer, I know it's going to have a remainder of 1, 3 because I have 1 rod and 3 little square units. My answer is going to have 1, 10, and 4 1s because we're looking at what multiplies to give me that area inside. And so that gives me an answer of 1, 4, base 6, remainder 13, 1, 3, base 6. I hope this helps.